Have you ever had the feelings that you went shopping to buy your foodstuffs, what you used to buy before for 30 euros, for 20 euros, even when you are not in Europe, in Africa, in Asia, in the US, things are how on the high side. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to save money when shopping Groceries. Have you ever had the feelings that you went shopping to buy your foodstuffs, what you used to buy before for 30 euros, for 20 euros, even when you are not in Europe, in Africa, in Asia, in the US, things are how on the high side. Have you ever gone to shopping before, like you have to stand with your wagon and stand to check all over and over again? Sometimes I always have the feeling like, did I lost money? Did someone miscalculate what I bought, or such feeling? I've been having these issues, so I now did my research and I felt it's a good thing when I share this tip with every one of you. These tips has been helping me to save a lot of money and it's really working out for me. So the 25 tips on how to save money on Grocery shopping. Number one is shop on a full stomach. What is shopping on a full stomach? You will buy less snacks and all the things you don't usually buy, but only buy Groceries, not gift or extra stuff at the Grocery store. What does that mean? When you want to go for shopping for food, just focus on the food items. Don't buy, like, maybe, sometimes in supermarkets you will see perfume, you will see shoe, you will see jacket, you will see other things. When you go for shopping for foodstuffs, focus on that. That helps a lot. Number two is go armed with a list and stick to it. Go armed with a list and stick to it. Especially if your kids are helping you. When the kids are there, let them be part of the list planning. Before you leave your home, write down everything. When you are going to shopping with the kids, let them be part of planning. Let everybody check the house together, what is missing, what you're buying. When they want extra thing, you have to tell them, we are working on this list. This is what we are getting to works for me. I think it will work for every other person too. Number three, plan your meals for the week before you shop and then buy what is on the menu. Planning your meal before for the week and shop what is on the menu. 4 is shop only once a week. Like buying in bulk, like buying little things from the nearby supermarket. It wastes money. When you take your list and buy what you will need for the whole week, it will help you to save money too. Number 5 point is shop when you have energy. When you are not tired, when you are not worn out, or maybe sometimes when you are coming from the work, you just go into the supermarket, mixed up with that stress of the day, you're going to be taking things that you don't need. That will make you to waste your money too. Number 6 point, return bottles and can for the deposit that you paid. Like this part of the Europe, when you buy water, when you buy juice, when you buy even some yogurt, when buying, you will pay for the empty can. After drinking the water or eating the yogurt, you have to raise the glass and return it. In Germany, they call it Pfand. So on the process of saving money, try to store those things and also refund them. 7 points, I'm sorry. Shop in a familiar shop. Shop in a familiar shop, like the shop you are used to. The shop you are used to, maybe you go there, you know where they put things that are on sales, how everything works there. When you just jump to a new shop, you don't know if it's expensive or not expensive, you just start to buy. Shop in a familiar shop. Number 8 point is plan meals so that you have leftover for lunch the next day, or freeze leftover for a quick meal another day. When your meals are planned, the leftover, you have to freeze them or keep them wet so that it can be used the next day. Number 9 point is package your home treats, juice and snacks. Buy the large package of snacks and a box of baggies and make your own individual wrap package to grab on the run. So when you are going out, instead of you to stop somewhere to want to buy food or to want to buy something, when you are going out, you just take your things that you will need on the way. In doing that, you will also save yourself from spending extra. That helps a lot. For example, maybe when I'm traveling now, I know on the way to buy things from the gas station is very expensive. You take little things that you will eat. When the kids are in the car as well, you take what you will drink. You are not doing that, it will help you. 10 point is buy less can and package convenience food. Buy less can. Me, I don't even buy it. When you are the type that is used to buying canned food, it don't save money. It either waste your money and you end up eating unhealthy food. I'm not saying it that all canned food are unhealthy. 11th point is clean out your fridge and cupboard once in a month. Use up what you bought before buying more. Clean out your cupboard and fridge once in a month. That helps a lot, because when you are shopping, adding more, maybe sometimes the things that are already there will be expired without you knowing. Like I would do it in my place of work. We normally bring the old things forward and the new ones at the back, so that the old ones have to be used first before you go to the new one. That same application you can also apply in your kitchen too. It helps a lot. Number 12, organize your food storage cupboard and drawers. If you don't know what you have or cannot find what you bought, you will end up buying more of the same unnecessarily. Arrangement is very important. When you arrange your drawer, your food storage, it will save you from buying unnecessary things. Number 13 point, if you stock up, watch expiring date and package the food to preserve it as long as needed. 14 point, if you buy large packages or meat, pre-cook or marinate it and then freeze it to spend up other time or spend up many times. If you know you have got food ready at home, it's less tempting to eat out. So you learn how to preserving foods, how to keep them helps a lot to save money. Number 15 point is spend some time once a week washing and cutting up fruits and vegetables. This will speed up dinner and lunch preparation and provide healthy snacks that are ready to go. So there is one video I watched by the Chief family or Chef Chinning Kitchen, I will check the video and put the link up there. That video, I learned a lot. I never knew that you can go to the vegetable market, buy fruits, buy vegetable, and package them and store in the refrigerator. I never knew it was through that video I knew that. I'm going to put the channel name up there. You can go to the channel and watch that and see for yourself. We are all learning. When you watch, you learn. When you listen, you learn as well. Number 16 point, don't buy snacks on the run. They are awful, less healthy, and more expensive. Saving money, don't buy snacks on the run. Learn how to take your things from home. 17 point, get creative and try new food. 18, shop with a calculator. It might sound funny, but it helps. When you having money, you can be calculating. Say, okay, this one, this is this amount, this is it. It's strange, but it's worth doing. It's worth doing. So number 19 point, learn how to cook or bake. Learn how to cook. If you are the type that don't cook by yourself, learn it. It will save you a lot of money. So 20 points, buy non-food Gregory item like detergent or garbage bag at the discount shop. Like I said the earlier point, when you are shopping in the supermarket, make sure you go there, train yourself that I am coming here shop only for food item. When you want to buy other things, that is detergents, that is shoes, clothes, go to the special shop for them in order to save you money. 21 point is only buy what you need and can afford. Only buy what you need and what you can afford. That is where the calculator is also important. 22, price check and shop around for discount on items you buy regularly. Number 23 point, consider using one of these Groceries apps on either a smartphone or on your tablet. When you are using their apps, anytime there is reduction, anytime there is sales, they always send you, and you can save money in doing that too. Number 24 point, remember that smaller sizes can sometimes be a good deal. Do that math either on your phone or on your calculator. You don't just see big size, you think it's cheaper. Always calculate before buying. Number 25th and the last point is don't automatically overlook no-name or store brands. Many are made by the brand name company with just a different label. Even if it's on sale, it is only a good buy if you use it. Don't always check name like, oh, like here where I live in Germany, they have many brands that is from the supermarket brand. Many people don't buy this. So this is low quality. I buy the no name. So when you are on your saving money journey, don't look too much on names. Guys, thank you guys for watching. I so much appreciate you guys. I hope you learned from this video. Thank you for watching. If you are new and you have not subscribed, don't hesitate to do that. Put on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new video. Thank you all so much. I see you again on my next video on Wednesday, 6 p.m. Europe time. I remain your girl, Mengi, M&S BeautyKonzept. Bye for now. See you there.